So here we are inside the Cup Noodle Factory. We just paid, the Cup Noodle Museum. We just paid for our entrance fee, so we're actually going to go make our own unique, original cup noodle style. So this is a very majestic entrance. Also not ADA friendly, but that's okay. I'm sure they got an elevator somewhere on the side. So this is going to be kind of an on-off video, so I'm going to try to keep the video alive, but go to different sections. Otherwise it's going to be super long. So here we are going up the stairs. My ticket. Okay, so we made it through the entrance. So we're gonna actually come back here. So we're actually gonna head up to level 3. We're gonna go to the My Cup Noodle Factory, and we're actually gonna make. We are going to make ramen noodles.
Not making, maybe just mix up.
Just mix it. We're gonna mix it. So all right, here we go. Next stop, Ramen Noodle Factory. Okay, so here we are. We're actually buying our cups. So basically, we're going to actually decorate our own cup noodle. There's one. And of course, being Japan, we get our own cup. So it's kind of naked. We'll design our own here. Okay, here we go. Stop, design our cup noodle. Okay, so the first thing is you put the date on, and then what we're going to do is we can actually draw, as long as you stay between the red lines here and there, we can kind of decorate it however we want using these special markers, probably food safe markers. So we're gonna make a couple of designs here, and then we'll move on to the next stage, which I'm not sure how that works yet. Alright, so we finished some decorating here in honor of Halloween 2019. We're going with a Halloween themed cup noodles. There we go. And of course the artistic part of the family. It's still hard at work here. Okay, so here we go. We got them. I think we're finally completed. Sticking with the Halloween theme. I had to add some bats over here. So we did some bats over here. Of course, this is the artistic one of the families over here. There's artistic. Very nice. Yay. All right. Not really sure what we do next.
We add some soup. You can choose the soup.
Okay, so the next step we're going to do is, so you choose this, right?
That's only one.
Okay, you get this. So you get this. So that's your noodle piece, and then you choose your soup flavor, and then you can choose. It looks like you can choose 4 different flavors over here.
Soy sauce, curry, seafood,
cheddar cheese. Okay, so you choose. Okay, so you get your noodles here. You choose your soup. So you got the original cup noodle flavor, or you can go curry, or you can go seafood, or chili tomato. And then over here you get 4 ingredients. So we got what do we got here? This is negi. So this onion. This looks like, what is this one?
Secret meat that they use.
Oh, it's a secret
ingredient, eggs,
secret cup noodle ingredient. Okay, here's shrimp, here's egg, Connie, here's shrimp, corn, kimchi, what is this? Okay, and cheddar cheese. Ingen.
Green pea pod.
Okay, green pea pods. Okay. So we get to make our own up to 5,460 combinations. Alright. And then I guess okay, good job. Okay, so next stop is secret ingredients. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here we are. I don't know what's going on here. I think she's checking to make sure we didn't on it. Oh. Well, that's what it said. Okay, apparently Halloween 2019 wasn't specific enough, so we had to put down October 31st, 2019. Okay, so here we go. So she's actually adding the noodles into the cup right now. Alright, my time. Alright, ready, go. Okay, so now she gets to choose her ingredients. Okay, so she's going with the original flavor. Always a classic. Yotsu, so now she gets, I don't know what that is. Oh wow, okay, so that's it. Okay. So, okay. Chili tomato. Okay, chili tomato. I'm gonna get 4 ingredients, huh? Okay. Maybe? I gotta choose what I can read. Video this. Okay, so there we go. Oh, secret ingredients. Yay! Thank you so much. Okay. Well, now we're so now we put the cover on. So she's gonna slide her. There it is. And okay. Yay! And it's official. I'll get my finger out of the way. Shrink wrap it. We're going to heat shrink it. So, there we go. Alright, so here comes the next one. Here comes our next one. Shrinking, it's shrinking, it's shrinking, it's shrinking. And receiving area, cup noodle receiving area. Ah. She got it? Okay, and into the bag. There we go. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, bye-bye. Yay! Okay. Oh. So now, you gotta puff it up so it doesn't get crushed. Okay. So now you put the string in. That's the final product here. So we add the string, which is like we turned it into a purse. So here we go. Better read the directions, huh? Okay, step 1. Put your cup noodle in the package. Check. Step 2. Insert the tip of hose in the air hole of the air packet. Okay, so she's on step 2 right now. Okay, it's in there. Inflate the pump.
It's still open, yo.
This is very complicated. Did she get it? Did she get it? Is anything happening? A little bit, a little bit. Okay, it takes a little bit to pump. So the confusion is that the bag is still open, but you put air in even though the bag is still open.
Yeah, and the bag is double it.
Okay,
yeah.
so it puffs up the outside of the bag. Okay, okay. Okay, or you can just skip right ahead to, don't overinflate it, skip right to number 4. We'll take out the hose, put the string through the 2 holes and tie it, and then you're done. So skip to number 5. Here's your holes right here. Oh, so you got to kind of pump it so it stays closed though, because your holes are up here.
Okay.
All right, so start pumping. We're gonna pause while we pump. Okay, so we've pumped it up, so it's locked in there. It can't get out. So we're safe. Now we got to put the strings through the hole. Okay, there's a hole here. Okay. And then here's the other hole here. There's the other hole. There we go. She's stringing the handle right now. Okay, so that's a good question. How do we eject the cup?
Oh, have a straw.
You have a straw. Oh, okay. So apparently we have to get a straw. So we'll have to get a straw later on. Please. Okay, so it says, okay, so when you take it home, we're going to let the air out. Otherwise, the air pressure will crush our noodles. Okay. So very nice, very nice. I like it, I like it, I like it. Excellent. Okay, so that concludes the Cup Noodle Factory tour. We're going to go through the rest of the. So over here is actually where you make a big bag of noodles. So you got to wear stupid cup noodle hats. But pretty cool, very unique. Not something you do every day. Made our own individual unique cup noodles. From Yokohama, Japan, here on Halloween 2019. Take care, and we'll see you all later. Bye-bye.